When camping, a good cup of coffee can make your outdoor experience even better. Here are some fantastic recipes for different types of camp coffee. Classic camp coffee. Start with the essentials: a pot or French press, water, coffee grounds, and a way to heat the water. Fill the pot or French press with water and add the coffee grounds. Heat the water until it boils, then let it simmer for a few minutes. Pour the hot water over the coffee grounds and let it steep for a few minutes. Finally, press the plunger on the French press, or pour the coffee into a mug. Iced camp coffee. To make iced coffee, simply brew a pot of coffee using the classic method. Once it's finished brewing, pour the coffee into a pitcher and let it cool. Add some ice cubes to the cooled coffee, and you have a refreshing iced camp coffee perfect for a hot day. Campfire coffee. For a campfire twist, you'll need a pot or French press, water, coffee grounds, and some marshmallows. Brew the coffee as you normally would. After it's ready, roast marshmallows over the fire and top your coffee with them for a delightful, gooey treat. Cinnamon coffee. Perfect for chilly mornings, cinnamon coffee adds a warming spice to your cup. Brew a pot of coffee as usual. Once brewed, add a cinnamon stick to your mug. Let it steep for a few minutes to release its flavor, then remove the stick and enjoy your aromatic, spicy coffee. Vanilla coffee. Add a touch of sweetness to your coffee with vanilla. Brew your coffee using the classic method. Once done, place a vanilla bean in your mug. Allow it to steep for a few minutes to infuse the coffee with vanilla flavor. Remove the vanilla bean and enjoy a sweet and fragrant cup of joe. These are just a few recipes to elevate your camp coffee experience. Feel free to get creative and experiment to find your perfect cup. For more camping and coffee tips, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest posts. Happy camping and coffee brewing!